لا مش هحط الميوزك اليوم.
بتعرف ما في قلع اذا ايه
خليل
بونجور ما في قلع اذا ما بتحط الميوزك. فيك زيد وزيد يا بتحط everything. Who gives a shit? Alright fine. ليك اليوم quick fun episode for the superhero lovers kids.
Yes.
But then again I'm a kid because I found this and I'm like okay we have to do an episode of this. Have you ever dreamt of being like superhero like you know
Who are you? I am Spiderman. Spidermans? I'm the Spidermans. What?
No, but you know, like I have the Thor. I have the Thor hammer. We have upstairs. In your house, you have the Captain America shield.
Exactly.
Okay, so I found something, a web launcher, right? So if you ever wanna be like Spider-Man,
This is fun.
and I'm like, we should try this. Now, first of all, it was dirt cheap. Like $12-15 and built-in lithium battery. I'm like, wow, there's a battery, USB charging, one button ejection, and electric reel in. So I was sold. I was sold at Web Launcher. Let's check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's unbox this. All right. So, web shooter toy instructions. Do we really care?
Yeah, that's right.
We don't. The charger. Okay. Screwdriver.
We need to charge it.
No, so we get this, and this is the thing. We get a charger, blah blah blah, and we get this. So, kind of like cool, small thing. Ejection rod here. This is where you plug in the charger. You get 3 here different magnets.
So magnets.
So I guess here, this is where it ejects.
Magnets.
So you can either put this, and then you'll get the sucking effect.
Okay.
Or you can put this.
Let's kill this one.
Oh, we have 2 different sucking things, suck whatever, and this is a magnet. So let's first see how you put it on hand. You open this, right, I guess, and then you put it. So if you really want to do it like Spider-Man, okay, and then you close it up like this, right, and then there you have it. So hold on, let me just. Whoa!
My string.
Right, and then hold on. What is cool is you do have. Electric reel. So this is cool, right? You reel it in, and then you just push it back,
So
right?
you put this.
So you can either. So here you have a magnet. You can add these, right?
Okay.
So first of all, hold on. First of all, really light. First impressions and light.
Just enjoy
and
the
cool.
gadget. خلاص.
All right, so let's
هيفسر لي
say-
الميكانيزم تبعك. Oh, just one that one I want.
So let's say you go like this.
لحظة hold on.
Hold on, yeah, and then you go like.
Oh.
Not strong enough though. Not strong enough.
Hey, hold it منهم واو.
And then.
Nice. Do it again.
Right, do it again? Okay. Then let me just drag that back here for you. There you go, sir.
Okay. مهضومة.
And then you go like, there you go.
Okay. طيب يلا. قفل الحلقة. Let me play with this.
Hold on. You want so isn't it is okay. So pretty cool. The web launcher, Spider-Man fans.
Really nice. ليك إذا بتاخدها معك على المكتب أنت والشباب يعني قاعدين.
A lot of annoyed people. What can you do with
فيها
this?
بنات.
فيك تشد فيها بنات. Okay, go.
واو. لازم دايما توطي.
I missed it.
ايه لا انه نفس الشيء انه
But
لازم
think
دايما
this is actually
لازم دايما توطي
This
شوي.
is actually a pretty long
not bad
string.
بس خلينا نشوف بس شغله.
But don't forget you
بدك تفوتها.
reel it in وبعدين بدك ترجع.
هو سبايدر مان سيمي اوتوماتيك.
Reel it in. Hey! Okay, this is your Spider-Man. It's a great gift. We love it. I would get 2 actually. Like I would get 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please subscribe.
If you like this episode, subscribe. See you in the next
Bye.
episode of Arabia Unboxing. Bye guys.